Okay, hey everyone, my name is Ben. I have no slides because slides are awful. My time to demo is immediately now 0. I am better than almost everyone in the world. So I did a session that got plagued by internet issues on Monday about SSH. Hands up who went to that? A decent amount of people, excellent. So one thing that I get asked a lot about is when I talk about SSH is, well, you know, I use RDP and you keep telling me not to use RDP. Because, you know, RDP is terrible. Well, can I use SSH to use RDP? And the short answer is yes, but why would you do that? Okay, what I'm going to show you today is how, like, there's literally no PowerShell in this example, except there kind of is. I'm going to show you how to enroll a server into Azure Arc, SSH into that, and then tunnel the RDP port back to your machine so that you can connect to it. Why you would do that, I don't know. We're gonna have a play around. Bye up, you're not actually at this conference, so you don't get to hog my world. Okay, so I have a local instance of Windows Admin Center. If you're not using Windows Admin Center, please go and try it. I keep asking for show of hands on this stuff, and it's very few. Ping pong ball. But functionally, I want next year a lot more people to put their hands up when I ask them how they're using this. Okay, so I have this machine on my computer that's currently not connected to Azure Arc. If I go ahead and not press that because it's not working, which is fantastic, let's go ahead and refresh this. What's happening over there, by the way? I am unsure. Okay, it's fine. We'll fix it in post. Okay, it's not working, whatever. When you select Connect to Arc, I might even be able to do it over here. Nope, okay. It's fine, don't worry. When you select Connect to Arc for the first time, it's essentially going to ask you what resource group you want to deploy this to, and then you hit Connect. The funny thing about this is the idea is that you can send it to someone who is not a technical person and simply say, I would like a bunch of these servers to be managed. They don't need to know PowerShell, but what the cool thing is that the little screen that comes up is really just setting up parameters to run PowerShell in the backend, because Windows Admin Center is all PowerShell. It's all PowerShell. The whole thing is PowerShell. So that's a really fun thing. So in an environment that I already have prepared earlier, you can see a machine that I want to connect to, which is this one right here. Watch this. Zoom it. Note, it says connected. It's got a red line through it because I don't know how to use Zoom it very well. But this is now connected. So what I want to do is I want to connect to this machine. I want to tunnel that port back to my computer, and then I want to remote into it. So, hey up, how's it going? That's not what I wanted. Okay, that's also not what I wanted. Here we go. I've made it. Can everyone read this? Yeah? I don't think I can actually, I can't make it bigger. You know what? Is that better? Yeah? Excellent. Okay, great. What I'm doing here, again, not using PowerShell, I'm using the AZCLI tools or AZ-ish CLI tools. I'm going AZ, SSH, Arc, resource group, pointing to the resource group, my name, my local user, my port, and then this magic double dash. Anything after this is the command that then gets sent to that device. So what I'm doing is a local port transfer. So I'm opening port 42069, the best port number in the world, localhost to 3389, which is the RDP. I'm going to go ahead and press enter. Who's winning? Okay. Come on, internet. Come on, internet.
Do-do, do-do, do-do.
Can everyone do a drum roll?
I mean, I had to dance last time, and like, I mean, you know, 50 seconds. Here we go. There you go.
It's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. Just so that I can confirm what's going on here. Who am I? Not me. I'm on my Danger network as administrator, so that is absolutely not my computer. I'm going to go on to MSTSC. This is all traveling back over to Australia, so I guess my flight's going to be good. We've got computer name, localhost 42069, not the default one. I'm going to go ahead and press enter or connect. What's my password? That's a really good question.
Yap is awesome.
Yeah, I think that's what it is.
Okay.
Exclamation mark.
Exclamation. Of course, everything ends in exclamation mark. Yeah.
Ooh, 50 seconds.
Here we go.
15. 15. Oh, 12, 10, 9. What is this?